Hello and welcome to my tutorial about C++ programming. We're going to be using Dev C++, which is a GNU compiler that is downloadable from www.bloodshed.net. And we open a new source file, and this is the preprocessor. There's only one of them for this program. It includes the IO stream header to the program, and here's the main function: open parenthesis, close parenthesis, for this program at least anyway, and then open curly brace, and then there's the declaration of a double floating point number, three of them, the numerator, denominator, and the result, followed by a semicolon to indicate the end of the instruction. Now this is a do loop, which allows the user to make a number of calculations, and the cout statement is console out, and there's the \n indicates a new line within the delimiters, which are the quotation marks. The console in requests a floating point number, and then the console out puts words on the screen that let the user know that the program requires a operator. Now, I thought this would be a good program just for people who have maybe seen a Hello World program as maybe something that would be accessible and easy to understand, yet useful. So a calculator is one of those, I suppose. They enter a second number here, and I've already explained these sort of statements here, but those lesser than and greater than symbols, one after the other like that, that indicates the flow of the IO stream, which C++ uses. If is a conditional statement, and with all conditional statements in C++, they're within parentheses, and you have to use two equal signs instead of just the one for the assignment for a conditional statement. And this is calculating the result for any of the four given operators. And so, for example, if they had minus as their operator, the result would be the numerator minus the denominator. And this program ends quite shortly, so don't get distracted. The cout, there's the result, so that puts the result on the screen for the user, and there's the end of the code block with a curly brace, and they were doing the whole thing while the operator did not equal E. I said that arbitrarily just so that there would be some way of exiting the program without using the X on the upper right hand of the window. And return 0 returns the program to the operating system. So I'm going to save it as acalc .cpp, and then compile it. There's no errors but one warning, and when I run it, we'll see it working. Okay, so here's the calculator itself. Enter a number. 2 plus 2 should equal 4, yeah. 3,456 divided by 34.5 is roughly 100. 10.5, etc. Divided by 3 is that. So it may not be accurate to too many places, but it's good enough for most people's purposes, and it works. So I hope you've enjoyed my video. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to visit my website for source code.